Good morning. This video is to show you how to make a Excel spreadsheet of your class roster, and we're going to use this for our dispersal list. First, you want to sign in to your Rapid Identity in C Cloud. Then you want to go to PowerTeacher. Okay, once you're on PowerTeacher, you want to go to PowerTeacher Pro. Okay, on PowerTeacher Pro, select Reports. And once you're on Reports, select Student Roster. Alright, now here you can make a student roster. I can change this. I can call it Dispersal List. But you can call it whatever you like or just leave it the same. Now you want to select your classes. You can select multiple classes to make a list. I'm going to pick all of my first semester courses. Alright, it didn't let me select them all. I'm going to go back, make sure I got them all. Good. So now I selected my classes. Now you can sort it by section and student name. You want to do that by section also because it's going to have multiple classes. And then student last name. We can also pick different options here. Alright. Now it's going to say display columns. So on your report, these columns will show up. Now on our report, we could pick blank, or any other types of information. I'm just going to use one. It's going to show up a column of student names, the student course, and then I added this. This was previously a blank column, and I just called it Dispersal Teacher. Now to get the Excel format, you go to this screen that says Format, and you can pick PDF, and I use that to print out rosters. But you can also pick Excel, and that will give you a Excel document. And once you have selected that option, you go down to Run Report, and then it allows you to save your report. Now I've already saved this, but you just click on it, and now I have my dispersal list saved. Now once I open it, now I have my courses. I have my student, my course, and then a blank for Dispersal Teacher. And this is all of my students. And so you can just put in the Dispersal Teacher's name in this section. Alright, that's it. I hope this helps.